Hi everyone, in this short video, I'll show you how to turn your portrait, or someone else's, into a cute plush toy. It's completely free and takes just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the website chatgpt.com in your browser. Click sign up for free and register using your email or Google account, or click login if you're already registered. A free account is more than enough for what we need. Next, right here, upload your photo. Make sure it's a portrait photo. Then, in this area, paste the command for the neural network. It's called a prompt. You can copy the prompt text from the description below this video. Wait just a little bit, and you'll get an amazing result like this. Awesome! Look at that quality. And you can even download the image. Did you recognize this person? Drop it in the comments. You'll definitely be able to do it too. I'd really appreciate a like on this video and a subscription to the channel CyberGuideTV. Thanks in advance.